Welcome to the video. In this video, we're going to be revisiting Bolt.new. So Bolt.new is an editor. It's an online editor. You can go and build websites. And I've done a few videos on it. In this particular video, I went over how you can do a local setup, and then you can use multiple model options. You can export files, and then it also has the ability to push to GitHub. And the questions that I got was, can I use my existing projects and edit those using Bolt.new? And at the time, there's no way to do that. And in fact, Bolt.new, their repo is very limited. All you can do is download it and edit with it. You can't even export or save your work, and you can't import your work. I did create a repo. I forked a repo and then created a way to export your work. But then the problem is you can't import your work. And so in this video, we talked about this repo here, in which this user here, this GitHub user, created this fork, and then a lot of contributors have been working on it, and I've been following this, and they've been doing a lot of updates. And this right here is the big one that I wanted to just kind of look at today. It says load local projects into the app, so that's phenomenal. So this will give us the ability to load the projects, export the projects, sync your projects, push them to GitHub, and all from a local model. And that's, I mean, a local application. And so you're not relying on Cursor or, any of these other paid applications. So let's go ahead and check this out. The one thing I will do different, in the past when I launched it, I used npm. But this time I want to dive in and use their Docker. And I like this option right here to use Docker Compose with the profiles to run the container. So we will do this. And so if you want to follow along, you'll need to go ahead and install Docker and get your desktop up and running. So I've got Docker desktop running here. And so let's go ahead and scroll back up here, and I'm going to clone this repo. So we'll copy this. Let's go to terminal, and I'm just going to type in git clone and just paste that. And we'll just go ahead and let that happen. So now if I do list, it was an empty folder. Now I have this this repo here. So I'm just going to open this up in VS Code, and I will do code and then paste that there. And so now I have this here. And the one thing I will need to do is get the where's the, okay, not there, there. So I need to get my keys put in here. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my OpenAI key and my Anthropic key. So I'm going to pause the video for a second, and I will be. All right, I've added my keys, and I also renamed the file from .env to .env.example to .env.local. So that should be good to go. I'm going to go ahead and open up my in browser or in my VS Code terminal here, and then I want to get the command for the Docker Compose or up or however. Yeah, okay. So we're doing profile development. So I'll just copy this Docker. Well, I don't know why it bumped up like that. Let's close this. Docker Compose. Where'd it go? There it is. So let's just highlight this. I'm going to copy. I'm going to go back here. I'm just going to paste this and run it. And this will take a while to build this environment and build this Docker container. So I'm going to pause the video while it does that, and I'll be right back. Okay, so the app has finished building. So actually, I'm going to copy the localhost 5173. And let's just go in a new tab and paste this here. All right. And so we've got the, let me refresh the page, see what's going on. Okay, where ideas begin. Okay, so it's saying my key is not set here. So but then it's looking for a .env file. Let's go back here. Scroll up. .env. So rename .env example to .env local and add your end, which is what I did. So, interesting. So let's see. Let's just go back here, and it gives you the option to add it here. So I'm going to not set. Does this let me do it? Yeah, it lets you. I'm going to pause the video and just add it here. I'll be back. We'll see if that works. All right, so it looks like it's let me paste it in there. So it looks like that's good. Okay, and here is that we can import a chat that we've done. So if we export our chat, wow, this is phenomenal. And we can import folder. So I'm just going to click import folder. And I've got this to do here. I'll just upload it. It was the last thing I was in. So let's upload. And here we go. We have a to-do folder. Let's click preview. No preview available. Let's see. Error could not open the history file. So see, I'm just going to say please fix this application. See what it does here. Maybe this sort of generates a history file, so it's doing an npm. Wow, this is very interesting. So create an index.html. Put the to-dos. Okay, there we go. So let's see. Test 1. Let's click add. That looks so good. Man. Test 2. I'll just press enter. Perfect. Mark it as completed. We got active, completed. We can delete it. Very good. All right, guys, this is exciting. So hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.